Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video we are going to see a complete review about the most selling products from L'Oreal Paris, which is the Siri Expert shampoo, mask as well as the serum. So this is the 300 ml package of Siri Expert Absolute Repair shampoo. The price is $665. I purchased this on Amazon. I'll give the link down in the description. This is for extraordinary frizz and dull damaged hair. So behind this bottle they have given the ingredients and the directions to use and things. How to use this is you have to spread an even layer of the product on your wet hair as like you use in the regular shampoo. You can use the same way. It helps in reconstructing dull and damaged hair. Of course, this product, it contains harsh chemicals like sulfates. You have to limit the use of this in the long run. It has an ability to damage your hair in the long run. It is also infused with a certain protein rich components which are highly beneficial to your hair. It is one of the best products I have ever used. So now for the hair mask, this is also from the brand L'Oreal Paris. This is the 250 gram package of the pack. It is in a cute tub pack and it costs about 820 rupees. It is quite above the budget, but still it claims to do what it can. So now this is the serum for that. This is absolutely the great guys, so you have to try this. If you are not buying the whole the whole hair mask and the shampoo, you have to at least try this pack from L'Oreal Paris. It has wheat oil in it, which nourishes your hair and which gives you a flawless shining hair within moments. So this is the 50 ml package. Actually it lasts you for more than 25 plus uses. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'll just apply this on my hair and I'll show you how my hair is. Firstly, you can first apply the shampoo and use this as a conditioner, and then you can use it as a serum. But I like to first I apply this hair mask. I apply this as a hair mask than the conditioner, because in that way I find that my hair my hair is extraordinarily dry and damaged as well as frizzy. I get frizzy hair so soon. So what I do is I first use this as my hair mask, then I shampoo my hair, and then I go on with the serum. So if you want, you can just use the reverse way of that. So come, let's get started. So this is my hair before using the product, and I have applied hair oil. So whenever I use a shampoo, I first apply oil thoroughly on my hair from the roots till the ends. So now I'll start using the hair mask. Hair mask I'm using. So this is the consistency of the hair mask. So you can see how thick it is. You can use it as a conditioner as well. Parting my hair into two. One thing you have to note that you should not apply this on your scalp. You should apply only on your hair length. So I'm starting to apply. You can really be generous in using the product because it lasts you for long. This is where you have to apply. Make sure you cover your hair entirely. This is the 6th or 7th time I'm using this, and it is the quantity is like easily spreadable to your hair so that it lasts longer. It is quite thick so that it spreads easily onto your hair. So this is how I have applied it on my hair. You don't really need to apply this on your damp hair. You can just apply it straight away on your hair. So I have applied it generously and I'm going to leave it for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes is the max time you have to leave this. So more than that you shouldn't leave. So I'm shampooing my hair now. So now I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm applying it only on my scalp and not on my hair length. You could see how lacquering it is. The fragrance is also good. So I have applied it. I have applied only on my scalp, as I said. Washing it now. So this is my hair immediately on washing. As you could see now itself, I could find that I have no frizz on my hair, and it also does not cause my hair to fall. I don't really feel any hair fall. It has reduced to like about 95%, but I still have hair fall, not completely, but it has reduced my hair fall to a great extent. And as you yourself could see that how shiny my hair is without any frizz. So this is my hair after partially drying it. I still have wetness on my hair. At this stage itself, I'm applying my hair serum. I'm going to use this. It has got a tight open close technology so that you can, like travel. Whenever you take it, you can travel it with you. So just giving a 2 pumps. The product actually doesn't spill all over. You can, how much ever you want, you can actually reduce the quantity. So I have taken like 2 pumps for my hair. You're going to apply this only on your hair, only for the length of your hair. So this will be more than enough. Okay. So I'm going to rub the serum on my palms and straight away apply on my hair length. Concentrate more on the edges of the hair where you have the maximum dryness. So the leftover products, you can just directly apply it over your head so that the frizz controls. So on applying serum, this is how my hair looks. You could see, of course I have frizz, but 90% of it is it is covered by this product. So I'm absolutely in love with this product. It makes my hair soft, silky and frizz free. So that is why I recommend this product. This is not a sponsored video. This is my personal experience with this product. You have to note that also. And of course this is not within budget, but it is one of the good products you can like really own. See how good my hair is. Then my hair, it remains the same for 2 days on washing my hair. So that is also one of the biggest advantage of this product. So this is all I wanted to share in this video about these products. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends whoever are suffering from frizz hair, like dry and frizzy hair. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, only then you will receive my video notifications whenever you post it. Also I wanted to mention, if you want me to post any of the product reviews like this, you can surely comment it down in the comment section. I would feel happy to use and review it. And don't forget that the review will be only on my particular my opinion about the product. So yeah, if you wanted me to review anything, like, you can go down and comment. So we'll all meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.